Tídas rinca Philip on Kyo.
A well-known local traditional singer, John Furlong, wrote this beautiful song in 1985. Carrigrue is a hill bound by the parishes of Boolavog, Ferns and Munamulin, Coolmuckridge. Carrigrue by John Furlong. You may sing your fine songs and stories tell of places and scenes that you all know well. But I tell you now, of this hill I do know. It's called Carrigrue, where the wild flowers grow.
Leroyd I Bork an Crocig, le Éimean ó Riordan. Pravinci, Cossinci, Leimin sin tipo, Kictory, Bultery, or Dogus Ishel, Omina Tapa, Orntamel, Suis Augustus, Salis and all, Stigsico, Haran Trasnoid, Crushaker Brashica, Glas, August Bon, Eg Lee Aaron Tolov, Noeg Eshel Sanair, Scrada is Beca o Sua Golair.
Shan true and a misha shan true and a misha van forgin. Shan through and a misha savannah to Egavikalcha.
The Eagle by Alfred Lord Tennyson. He clasps the crag with crooked hands, close to the sun in lonely lands, ringed to the azure world he stands. The wrinkled sea beneath him crawls, he watches from his mountain walls, and like a thunderbolt he falls.
There wasn't a woman in Wexford town did dwell. She loved her husband dearly, but another man twice as well. With me rifle little Larry and me rifle Laura Lee. One day she went to the doctor, some medicine for to find, saying, "Doctor, give me something that'll make me old man blind." With me rifle little Larry and me rifle Laura Lee. Oh, feed him eggs and marrow bones and make him sup them all, and it won't be so very long after that he won't see you at all. With me rifle little Larry and me rifle Laura Lee. So she fed him eggs and marrow bones and made him sup them all, and it wasn't so very long after that he couldn't see the wall. With me rifle little Larry and me rifle Laura Lee.
Buffalo, what are you doing with that human? Whatever it's called. Buffalo said, "Oh, well, he's very kind. He gives me something sweet to eat every day after I help him work." And then he said, "What are these humans? I've heard about these humans." And Buffalo said, well, I don't know about the other humans, but this one is very intelligent. He has so much intelligence. What does intelligence mean? He's very wise. Oh.
Toimid chun an taran de gory caravan a conna le chéile.
As I rode out one evening down by Malone's Hotel, I spied a pretty damsel there with a bundle on her arms. She said, "Kind sir, don't tease me, for I've no time to stand, for I'm off to court down harbour on the gory caravan." Cookin' Andy, Nandy, cookin' Andy, oh. Cookin' Andy, Nandy, cookin' Andy, oh. Cookin' Andy, Nandy, cookin' Andy, oh. Portignon and Titus, Rinka, Philip on Kyo.